Today, I would like to tell you all about our experience with the Earth Science course from the Apologia Young Explorers series. I'm currently using it with my 6th grade daughter, but this course is geared towards K through 6th grade students. Hi everyone, welcome to our homeschool table. My name is Geraldine. I'm a homeschooling mom of 3 kids, and here on my channel I share all about homeschool related content, so I hope that you'll click that subscribe button and stick around. I really like to do end of the year curriculum reviews, and so I will have quite a few coming up. I also have a whole playlist of curriculum that I've reviewed over the last couple of years that we have personally used in our homeschool. I don't really review curriculum that I don't use, so that isn't really something you're going to find here on my channel. Now, before we start, I do want to let you know that Apologia has actually just released an even newer version of this program. So it might look a little bit different. The cover is almost the same. The difference is that they have changed the color to dark green on here, but it's still a beautiful full color textbook like this. And one of the other differences is that instead of having 2 different levels of notebooking journals, they now just have one notebooking journal that is geared towards all ages. So the way that it used to be was that they had a junior notebook for K through 2, and then this notebook is for grades 3 through 6. But the new version will just have one notebook option, and you can get that for any age of your students. Another difference is that the new version of this curriculum does have video lessons, which would be awesome. And there's also audiobook, just like in this course. So there are some differences, not a ton, but I'm sure it's a really beautiful course, and you never know. Maybe someday we'll get the updated version. But we really enjoyed this curriculum. This is technically the 3rd course that we have done as part of this series. We did astronomy way long ago, like in kindergarten, and then we did zoology 2 when my daughter was in 5th grade. And now we're doing Earth Science. And yes, I would highly recommend this program. So let me just tell you a little bit about this course. This course is 14 lessons, and they are divided into 28 weeks of work. And here in the notebooking journal at the very front, there is actually a suggested weekly schedule. So it'll tell you week 1, and it'll tell you the textbook pages to read, the activity numbers to do, and the notebooking journal pages that correspond with that lesson. And then you can just check it off here. We found this really helpful to have the schedule, and I would just assign my daughter what week we were on, and she would know exactly what to do. So she did this very independently. She would just log into our Apologia account on our computer, and I would just have her use the audio so that I could hear what she was listening to. And she would read the textbook along with the audiobook. This book has lots of really great pictures and diagrams and activities included right here in the book. So you technically might not need to get a notebooking journal, but I found that it was really helpful because all of the activities had a page, and they could just label things right on there, or do the writing that it required and things like that. We really liked the textbook. It was very colorful and easy to follow along with, and it had a lot of things to look at so that visually it wasn't overwhelming with too many words. We also really enjoyed the notebooking journal, and once I kind of flipped through here, we did actually skip quite a few things. Here in our state and in our homeschool, we don't really need to do lots of assignments and turn things in for a cover school or anything like that. I know a lot of people do need to show proof of doing different activities and work and things like that. We don't really need that, and in my opinion, I don't necessarily need her to do a lot of assignments with science. I just want her to get some background knowledge and some understanding of basic concepts. My daughter is not super into science, and so this was a lot as far as work goes. So for us, the only negative was that there was a lot of assignments, but like I said, we just skipped the ones we wanted to and made it work for us. So if you need a science course that has lots of activities for you to turn in as assignments, then this is definitely a good one. Now, it is also a Christian worldview program. So if that's not something that you're looking for, this might not be the program for you, but that is what we were looking for. And I really appreciated how it would incorporate some scripture passages throughout and explain things based on creation and creation science. So, all in all, we really liked this program, and I would highly recommend it if you're looking for a Christian science program that has lots of hands on activities and notebooking assignments. There is a lot more that you could probably do with the science journal than what we did, but we just made it work for us. So, let's go ahead and take a look at lesson 6. This is making and shaping the land. So as you can see, there's lots of really beautiful photographs. There are diagrams and little cutaways and things like that, maps. The activities are listed here in the book, and then they always have a notebooking page to go with them. So that's really nice that you can just open the notebooking journal and do the assignment. At the end of each lesson, there are some what do you remember questions. And so if you're not using the notebooking journal, these are really nice because you can just have these discussions with your student. But if you are using the journal, it's the very last page when you are going through the notebooking pages. So you could either do these as you're going throughout the lesson, or you can do them all at the end. But now I'll just show you what lesson 6 looks like here in the journal. So this is the exact same lesson. There's always a coloring page and a fascinating facts page. You can do reflections. I usually just had my daughter write down one sentence about something she found most interesting from her reading that day. So some of the activities we did and some we didn't. I always wanted her to do any of the labeling activities. This one was a little booklet that you spin around. There's always some sort of word search or word activity. She didn't usually do these in their entirety. Sometimes she would skip those. And there's these little flip books and things like that. Like I said, we didn't do all of them. And then at the end, we get back to the what do you remember section again. And then it just goes on to the next lesson. So now you're probably wondering, will we be using this curriculum again? And the answer is yes and no. So this coming school year, my daughter really wanted to go a different route for science and have it be a little bit less work. And so we are going to be doing something different for this coming year when she's in 7th grade. However, I did already inform her that we're going to be going back to Apologia for 8th grade, and we are either going to choose from the general science program for 7th and 8th graders or the physical science curriculum. I haven't decided which one yet. I think I'm leaning towards the general science right now, but we'll kind of play that by ear. Now, next year, my little kids are really kind of still on the younger end of using the Young Explorers series. My son will be 5 and in kindergarten, and then I'll have a preschooler. So stay tuned because I do have something coming for them from Apologia. So definitely make sure that you're subscribed and stick around for that. If you have any questions or comments about the Earth Science curriculum, I am happy to answer as many as I can for you. And if you have used this program, I would love to hear what you thought about it or if you're planning to use it in the future. I am an affiliate with the Apologia company, and I do have a discount code linked down below for you in the description box if you're interested in checking out any of their science programs. They also have some Bible courses and some really great worldview courses that I have had my eye on. And so definitely check out the company if you're interested in looking at science, Bible, or worldview courses. And using my affiliate links doesn't cost you any extra. It just helps to support our family. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today at our homeschool table. I hope that you guys are all having a really great day, and we'll see you next time.